Alright, and after spraying the pan with some non-stick spray, that's when you take your mix, your brownies mix, and you pour it into the pan. Okay. You want to make sure that you take the spoon out. You just set that to the side. Take your bowl and pour it evenly within the pan. You just want to pour it in there nice and smooth. Alright. Okay. And your oven should be preheated to 350. And then that's when we're going to insert this pan into the oven. And now we wait for 31 minutes.